Hello guys, welcome to this channel. So I came to an issue whereby, or is it recording? Yes, I came to an issue whereby I was using a warm mic microphone, and when I came to encounter a very nasty error whereby my microphone was not recording. Actually, as you can see right now, it is recording, but during that time when I encountered this error, I was able to listen to myself, as you may know. But then when I came to this point, nothing happened. Nothing was happening at all. This little thing was not playing around like it is doing right now, and I looked for a way to fix this, and I came across a certain fix that I'm going to share with you today. So guys, when you come across this error, all you have to do is very simple. Actually, you have to uninstall the warm client. You just have to uninstall it completely with everything, yes, with all the drivers. The driver is actually, you can find the drive and device manager right here. All of them. You have to uninstall all of them. Anything named Warmite should completely be erased from your PC. And then what you have to do is you have to download a new client, or when you have an old one, it will work perfectly. So you have to come back here. You have to install the new client, and you have to tick all the Windows 10, everything. When you, according to the operating system that you are using, when you are using Windows 10, tick every Windows 10. When you are using Windows 8, tick everything according to operating system, then install, and you're good to go. As simple as that. Alright, so I'm not going to uninstall because mine is working perfectly. Thank you guys for watching.